YouTube? It's your boy MikeMcGee back with another review. I got this Gld pendant in the mail. I just want to do this review for y'all because I did a review on my 3-prong tennis chain, 3mm. If y'all have not seen that, go see my last video and go check that out. But anyways, straight to the unboxing. Alright, pull out box. Same as with the necklace or anything else. This right here is your lifetime guarantee. You know, if something happened to it, anything, when the stones fall out, send it back, they send you a new one. Alright. Alright. That comes in. Plastic bag. Got a little pitch axe on it. Alright. So, I see that. Yeah. I see that. Yeah. Alright, so this is how it looks. Like I said, it's really icy. And this is my 3-prong tennis chain. If y'all didn't see my other video, y'all go check that out. Yeah. Like I said, it's not too big. I mean, I feel like it's just right. Alright, this is another look at it right here. The chain. Yeah, this is how the back looks. Just gold plated. Yeah, so that's my review on my Gld pendant. I had got my Anak cross. Yeah, see, I guess this is like a better view. Y'all can see all of it and stuff like that. But y'all should go check them out on gldshop.com. They have like weekly sales and stuff like that, so y'all should go check them out, stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, I love it. But I had this like for like 2 or 3 weeks, stuff like that. No fading, no coloring on the neck, none of that. Like, this shit's like legit. Like I said, like if you have any of them problems, stuff like that, it comes with a lifetime guarantee. So y'all go check them out. But yeah, that's all for the video. If y'all have not already, subscribe and stay tuned for the rest of my videos.